Hi, my name is Omi Jo. You can find me at Omihaircare.com. Omi Hair Care is where you get all of your information on all the newest, latest trends. At Omi Hair Care, we believe that you can find what you need for your hair in your kitchen. I'm gonna prove it to you day in and day out. We're gonna call this blogs in action. So I wrote a blog on how taking care of your natural hair is not hard. It's not hard, sis. There's a learning curve. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. But anyway, in that blog post, I gave you guys a recipe to deep condition and co-wash your hair. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what it looks. Blogs in action, here we go. We have an egg. You can use two, but today we're gonna use one because I'm running low. We have some mayo, great value brand. Doesn't matter what brand it is, just get some mayo. And then we have some olive oil. Okay, so we're gonna take these three ingredients, we're gonna mix them. I'm also gonna add some tea tree. The tea tree is gonna be our antibacterial, antifungal. It's gonna cleanse our scalp. It's gonna cleanse our scalp. So this is cleansing, this is conditioning. It's gonna add some protein, it's gonna add some moisture, all the great things you need for your hair. And I get to do this video with my little sister who's also recording. It's awesome, I'm excited. Let's go. Alrighty, so we've mixed all the ingredients up together and this is how it looks. This is the consistency you get. That's like our little egg in there. And honestly, it looks something like a conditioner, like what you would normally consider a conditioner to look like. So what we're about to do is apply it to our hair and show you what it does.
And it's Sunday, so it's justified. Cuddle up on the couch, we're not going out. I just want my family close. No, we don't need the crowds, we already got our own. We're gonna stay at home. Yeah, we got big plans to sit around and not do much. Stay at home, and we'll be just fine, cause all we really need is us. We don't need them to have our fun. All I want is a staycation. Stay at home, cause if I'm here with you, that's all that I really want. Stay at home. All our kids getting bored, so we play all our favorite games. Say we